5 basic exercises to get a flatter stomach in a month at home. By performing these exercises consistently with proper form, you'll strengthen your abdominal muscles and start seeing noticeable results in a very short time. Before starting, warm up for 10 minutes with light cardio, such as marching in place or arm circles. This will prepare your body for the workout, maximizing results and minimizing the risk of injury. 1. VUps. Lie on your back with your arms and legs extended overhead. Simultaneously lift your upper body and legs towards each other, forming a V shape. Slowly lower your back and legs back down without touching the ground. This exercise is relatively simple to perform and typically doesn't result in injuries. Start your first week with 2 sets of 8 reps. Gradually increase the intensity to 2 sets of 10 reps in week 2, followed by 12 reps in week 3. For the final week, aim for 3 sets of 16 reps. If you find the full V-up challenging, try bending your knees as you lift your upper body like this. 2. Plank. Get on your hands and knees. Lower your forearms to the floor, elbows under your shoulders. Step back, forming a straight line from head to heels. Tighten your core, drawing your belly button in. Maintain this position, keeping your neck neutral. The plank isn't just a popular exercise. It's a powerful move that effectively targets belly fat and core muscles. Start your plank journey by holding the pose for 30 seconds in the first week. Gradually increase the hold time to 45 seconds in week 2 and 60 seconds in week 3. By week 4, try to hold the plank for a full minute and 30 seconds. 3. Bird Dog Crunch. Begin on your hands and knees. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Keep your body in a straight line. Return to the starting position and switch sides. Perform this exercise slowly and carefully to get the most out of it. Start your first week by aiming for 10 reps on each side. In week 2, up the ante to 12 reps per side. By week 3, challenge yourself to reach 15 reps, and in the final week, push yourself with 20 reps on each side. The Bird Dog Crunch is an excellent exercise for targeting abdominal and hip muscles, while also helping you burn fat. 4. Bicycle Crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while extending your right leg. Switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee. This exercise will help you achieve a V-shaped physique by targeting your obliques and primarily your six-pack muscles. Kick off your first week with 15 reps on each side. In week 2, push your limits with 20 reps per side. By week 3, challenge yourself with 25 reps, and in the final week, aim for 30 reps on each side every day of the week. 5. Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight. Twist your torso to the right, then to the left, touching the floor on each side. Russian twists are a core exercise that can help tone your abs, obliques, shoulders, hips, glutes, lower back, and traps. Start your first week with 30 reps. In week 2, increase to 40 reps by week 3, aim for 45 reps, and in the final week, challenge yourself with 50 to 55 reps. If the exercise is too challenging, try keeping your feet on the ground. If you're aiming for a good physique in just a month, try this straightforward workout routine. Remember, consistency is the key. Make sure you get 8 hours of sleep nightly, eat a healthy diet, and stay hydrated. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.